Fyn, also known as Funen, is the third largest island in Denmark. The island is located between the Great Belt and Little Belt Straits. Fyn is often referred to as the Garden Island due to its lush landscapes and fertile plains. Odense, the largest city on Fyn, is the birthplace of the famous fairy tale author Christian Andersen. The island is known for its picturesque coastal towns, including Middelfart and Faaborg. Fyn covers an area of approximately 3,400 square kilometers, 1,300 square miles. The island has a population of about 450,000 residents. Fyn boasts a rich agricultural heritage, notably producing dairy, pork, and horticultural products. The Great Belt Bridge connects Fyn to Zealand, making it easily accessible from the mainland. Fyn has a mild maritime climate, ideal for growing a variety of crops and gardens. The island is home to several ancient burial mounds and Viking sites, showcasing its long history. Fyn hosts numerous castles and manors, including the beautiful Ichskov Castle. The island's coastline features charming beaches, scenic cliffs, and vibrant marinas. Cycling is a popular activity on Fyn, with many designated bike paths and routes. Fyn is known for its cycling events, including the annual Fyn Run Tour. The island is a part of the Funen archipelago, which includes several smaller islands. Fyn is home to several museums, including the Funen Art Museum and the Christian Andersen Museum. The island has a thriving food scene, with many restaurants emphasizing local produce. Fyn's capital, Odense, has a vibrant cultural scene, including theaters and music festivals. The region also celebrates its maritime heritage with festivals and historical reenactments. Fyn's landscape is dotted with windmills, many of which have been preserved as historical sites. The island is famous for its apple orchards, producing unique varieties of apples. Fyn hosts the annual Odense Flower Festival, showcasing stunning floral displays. The island has diverse wildlife, including various bird species and a rich marine ecosystem. Fyn has several national parks, including the beautiful Molsbjerg National Park. The island's history can be explored through its many preserved medieval towns and villages. Fyn has a robust craft beer scene, with multiple breweries producing local specialties. The island is also known for its vineyards and wine production, particularly white wines. Several well-known historical figures hail from Fyn, including philosopher Søren Kierkegaard. The island is popular for sailing and boating, with many clubs and rental options available. Fyn is home to many artist colonies, where craftspeople and artists produce unique works. The island's public transport is well developed, making it easy to explore different regions. Fyn hosts various music festivals throughout the year, attracting both local and international artists. The island's cultural heritage is preserved through various traditional festivals and fairs. The Little Belt includes several picturesque towns along its shoreline, perfect for day trips. Fyn features one of Denmark's oldest amusement parks, Tivoli, in Odense. The island's culinary specialties include fynsk brad, a traditional fish dish. Fyn celebrates its maritime heritage with events like the Fyn Maritime Festival. The island has several nature reserves, protecting its unique flora and fauna. Fyn plays an essential role in Denmark's history, with numerous significant battles having taken place here. The architecture on the island reflects various historical styles, including that of the Renaissance and Baroque periods. Fyn hosts an annual literary festival in honor of Hans Christian Andersen. The island's diverse landscapes include forests, rolling hills, and farmland. Fyn has a network of hiking trails, perfect for exploring its natural beauty. The island is known for its beautiful gardens, many of which are open to the public. Fyn has a tradition of handcrafting ceramics and pottery, attracting artisans from all over. The island experiences long daylight hours during the summer, ideal for outdoor activities. Fyn is also famous for its high-quality cheeses, with several artisan producers. The island supports a variety of ecotourism initiatives, promoting sustainable travel practices. Fyn's coastline is known for its rich birdlife, attracting birdwatchers from around the world. The island has a vibrant nightlife, especially in its larger cities like Odense.